Digica were founded in 2016. We're a software services company, but our specialism is AI. We work with predominantly technology companies, helping them looking at their data and getting useful information and solutions from there. Headquartered in the UK, just outside Manchester, but our customers are worldwide, from huge companies to smaller organisations, startups and one-man organisations.
FalconWorks is BAE's answer to how to move forward R&D, collaboration with different companies, industries. Our SME engagement is pretty key to this, and it means that we can more rapidly develop technologies and implement them in the industries that we serve. Carbon fibre is a really important material in a lot of industries. In defence, it's really important because of its strength, its ability to do very complex shapes and envelopes. And if it's cooked properly, which is what the autoclaves do, then you end up with an extremely strong product. Imagine you're cooking a really complicated dinner for a very large family and you have 2 ovens at your disposal. Now, if you're clever about it, you could probably make a fair saving in the amount of electricity and time you're going to take to make that dinner if you load everything on the right shelves and the right times so that you use that oven to its greatest level of efficiency. That's essentially what we're trying to do here, and that's essentially what an autoclave is. It's a large glorified oven. It's a lot more complex, there's a lot more variables involved, you have to pressurize it, but it's ultimately for cooking carbon fibre composites, which are a core part of our business offering.
It's like a big game of Tetris on steroids, because not only are you trying to fit it in, but you've got additional problems in terms of there are different parts of the autoclave that will heat differently, and you'll have different items that will need heating for a different amount of time. So you want to get them into the right area, and you need to bring them out in the right order. Now, traditionally, this is all done in the heads of the people who've been working here 10, 20, 30 years. There's no way of knowing whether it could be done better, because this is just the way they've always done it. So that's the problem we're trying to solve, getting that knowledge into something that's reproducible, but also looking into whether that could be done any more efficiently going forward.
So in this case, we're now at the stage where we've done this initial piece of work. It can now be demonstrated in the autoclaves on the day-by-day savings basis. This is now being taken on by the facility itself, which is a fantastic achievement. And we're going to step back and monitor it and help all the way through the next year, whilst it moves to its next iteration, where it can do even more to help them.
Just in the phase of the work we've been doing so far, we were able to show for one of the autoclaves that we were potentially able to reduce the energy consumption by a third.
This is about improving our carbon efficiency, this is about improving our overall efficiency, and this is about ensuring that we are a good example to UK industry as a whole. But these sorts of initiatives, it's all about sharing the learning we do with as many as possible.